In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view responses on Surveymonkey. Surveymonkey is a robust tool that allows you to collect valuable data through surveys. Whether you're conducting market research, getting feedback on a project, or curious about opinions on any topic, this platform can be your go-to solution. Getting to the heart of this tutorial, we will focus on how you can access and view the responses that participants have submitted. First, let's get onto the Surveymonkey website. You'll need to log into your account. If you have your account linked to Google, it makes the process straightforward. Simply click on Login, choose the Google option, and select your account from the list. This step ensures a smooth and secure access to your surveys and their corresponding data. Once you've successfully logged in, you're directed to the home page. Here, you'll need to navigate to the Projects section. This is essentially your dashboard for all the surveys you've created or have been shared with you. It's where all the magic happens. Now to get to the specifics, within your project's dashboard, look for the survey whose responses you wish to view. You'll notice 3 dots or an options menu associated with each survey. Clicking on this brings up a range of actions you can take. For our purpose, we are interested in one particular option, Analyze Results. Select Analyze Results, and you'll be taken to a comprehensive overview of your survey's data. Surveymonkey does an impressive job at presenting this information in a digestible format. However, we're focusing on something more granular today, the individual responses. To dive into the specifics of each participant's answers, locate and click on the Individual Responses tab. This section offers a deep dive into every response your survey has received. Here you can scroll through and review answers at an individual level, providing you insights into the varied perspectives and detailed feedback that respondents have provided. Navigating through individual responses can provide nuanced understanding of the collected data, allowing you to identify trends, anomalies, or valuable pieces of feedback that might inform decisions or trigger further investigation. Remember, analyzing survey data effectively requires a balanced approach of looking at both the macro patterns through aggregate data and micro insights through individual responses. And that wraps up our tutorial on how to view responses on Surveymonkey. Looking at individual responses can be particularly insightful, providing a clearer picture of your data. As you explore, remember the insights you gain here can be pivotal in guiding your decisions or refining your surveys for future projects. Thank you for joining me in this walkthrough. Surveymonkey offers a vast array of tools and features beyond just viewing responses. So don't hesitate to explore further and make the most out of your data collection efforts. Happy analyzing!